How to create Paga account as a Nigerian. The first thing you have to do is to make sure that you download the Paga on your device, either Android or iPhone. You can access this app on App Store or Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app on your device, you have yourself at this interface. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button. Once tap on sign up button, it brings to this interface. You have to select from Nigeria or the UX. So if you are a Nigerian, tap on the Nigeria account. Once tap on Nigeria account, it brings to this interface. Now you need to provide your phone number in the space provided, then tap on get code. Make sure you have access to that particular phone number you are using. Once tap on get code, it brings to this interface. You can receive code in two different ways, either through SMS or WhatsApp. This has to do with you, depends on you. Make sure you select the available option that suits you the most. So I tap on SMS. Once tap on SMS, the code generated, and tap on it and provide the code in the space provided. Once you provided the code in the space provided, then it brings to this option. Then it comes out like this. You need to provide your NIN for verification purpose. So go to your NIN and provide your NIN in the space provided. Once you provided your NIN, go ahead and tap on verify button. You can see that I've provided my NIN and I've tapped on verify button. Once tap on verify button, it brings to this interface. Now Paga would like to access your camera, grant access for your camera for your facial verification. So tap on allow, then tap on get started. Once tap on get started, follow the on-screen process, look left, right, up, and your verification will be completed. Once your verification has been completed, it brings to this interface. Submission completed. You may now proceed. Tap on continue button to proceed. Once tap on continue button to proceed, it brings to this interface. The first thing you have to provide here is to provide your email address, then create your own password. After you've created your own password, if you have any refer, you may use, and if not, then tap on continue button. When on continue button brings to this interface, because you've provided your NIN, your information will display like your name, date of birth, and gender. Then under the address, you need to manually enter your address. Tap on it to select your state, local government, then the city and address. Once you provided all those things, it brings to this interface. The system will generate username for you. So try as much as you can. If you can try your own username, then you may tap on create my own Paga username, or you use any of the username generated for you by the system. Just tap anyone. So once you see that you've tapped on it, then it will create your account like this. Congratulations, your username, or congratulations, your name. Then your account number will be given. Then your Paga username will be given. Then tap and go to dashboard. Once tap on go to dashboard, it brings to this interface. You have fund accounts, then you have home, card, bills, pockets, and setting. That's all, guys. This is the simple process, guys, on how to create Paga account as a Nigerian. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to like and share. Follow for more important updates like this.